Hey guys, Jagist here. This is Jagist Reviews. So I've got the UE Epicboom, I believe it's called. Pretty sturdy, pretty good speaker. I like it quite a lot. You do have to EQ it. I turned the bass down, I think, to -2 on the app because otherwise there is some distortion. Hopefully they will fix that at some point. So it's got a 4.75, so 4-inch 3/4 woofer, and this is going to produce most of the bass. It's pretty stiff and it doesn't have huge foam surroundings, so it's not for a ton of excursion. But as you can see, it's pretty small little area. And then these are the kind of tweeter things. They've got them on both sides. They shoot out the sides, and so it gives it kind of a 360-ish degree sound. But I'm gonna go ahead and play you guys a song real quick just so you can hear it with the EQ so it's not distorting, and then I'm gonna verse it up against this Sony. I've got the Altec. I've also got one of the Onyxes behind there, so we will do a few tests, but let's do. Those ones don't really move. Do one more song real quick.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion
pretty good.
you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with. Can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love.
Alright. So I'm gonna test it out a little bit more. I think it's a pretty dang good speaker, actually. I think it would be more appropriate to be like a $200 speaker for its size. The Sonos Move also is similar size, and I did see a comparison of the two, and this one was actually better. So, and those ones are like $500. So I think it's a good speaker for a compact little speaker. But how does it do? Like I said, also, just remember, you have to EQ it yourself a little bit to make it so it doesn't distort. I don't know why they have it to where it does distort, but it does when it's regular. Like if you turn the bass up a lot, it's going to distort. Hopefully they fix that. I put the bass on -2, and it pretty much doesn't distort at all anymore. And it actually sounds really good, but you got to tune it yourself a little bit. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to do some comparisons soon with it, and yeah, we'll see how it competes versus some of these other speakers. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.